journey. Dreams aren't always clear and bright. Sometimes they come with rain and floods. With a friend, the heart feels light. Each step becomes